The HDB 630 was built to bring audiophile-grade sound anywhere. Everything you need for serious listening is included, so let's get started. Grab the protective travel case and open it up. Inside are your headphones, charging cable, audio cable, high-res Bluetooth transmitter, plus an adapter for in-flight entertainment. The right ear cup is a touch surface for controlling volume, calls, and more, and this button here does the rest. First, while charging them, download the Sennheiser Smart Control Plus app on your phone. It lets you customize these headphones to your liking. A full row of white LEDs indicate we're all charged up. And now, we're ready to connect them to our smartphone. Out of the box, they automatically search for a Bluetooth audio source. Go to your Bluetooth settings and choose HDB 630. Nice and easy. If you ever want to connect an additional device, just press and hold the button for about 6 seconds and repeat this step. Okay, go to the app and check for any updates. Let's put them on and adjust the headband to get a good, comfy seal. That's going to give you the best sound and noise canceling performance. You can move them around to make sure that you're in the sweet spot. And the touch controls, they're pretty intuitive. Let's check them out. Slide up for volume up, slide down for volume down, tap once to start or stop playback, tap twice to hear the world around you, and again to shut it out. You can pinch to fine-tune the amount of ambient awareness and swipe forward or back to navigate your playlist. There is a full list of gestures in the app, and the headphones can even detect when they are on your head. You can disable and customize these features if you would rather do it all from your phone screen. The choice is all yours. When you're done listening, just put them in the case. They turn off automatically when docked. Alternatively, a 3-second press lets you turn them on and off manually. If your audio source lacks high-resolution Bluetooth support and has a USB Type-C port, you can add aptX Adaptive using the included dongle. To connect your HDB 630 to the dongle, plug it into a USB port. First-time users will see a flashing sequence to indicate it's ready to connect to your HDB 630. Otherwise, just press and hold the button until the dongle flashes. After that has completed, you can put the headphones into pairing mode with a long press. Simply keep them close and they will automatically connect. Use your audio source to set the dongle as the output and you are ready to supercharge your wireless listening. A separate desktop companion app is also available for PC and Mac users should you ever need to update the dongle or control it from your desktop. Wired connections let you take advantage of the advanced audio tools while bypassing wireless listening altogether. A USB Type-C cable can charge your headphones and provide a high-resolution data pipe at the same time, as the HDB 630 supports up to 24-bit 96 kHz sample rate listening. A headphone cable is there to connect to other gear in your audiophile collection, like amps or the headphone outputs on your other devices. You can keep the headphones powered on, which uses your preferred audio settings for a consistent listening experience everywhere. If you want to shape the sound, the parametric equalizer has powerful tools to boost or cut frequencies and how dramatically they can do so. The crossfeed will give you a more loudspeaker-like presentation, perfectly blending the stereo channels as they would be heard in a listening room. As you can see, the HDB 630 emphasizes audiophile acoustics with enhanced listening tools inside. But if you want the highest fidelity wherever you are, this package includes everything you need to make that device sound its best.